everybody, Lorraine here. I'm down to play with some paint again. And I am just going to do a pour. And I have picked some colors here. I hope they'll go together well. I have a red. These are all my Master's Touch acrylics. I have a turquoise. I have a Naples yellow. Light magenta. Medium orange. And a phthalo blue mixed up here, along with my white and my black. And I'm thinking I'm just going to start with some white in my cup, because it sounds like a good idea. Just going to layer these down the side. Start with some pink. Go to the Naples yellow. Turquoise. Add just a little red in here. Some of the phthalo blue. Gotta get the cap off my orange. And let's see, what direction do I want to go here? Just going to pour it out, and I can add to it as I'd like. Okay, all my red and blue stayed at the top, or my red and green, mostly. Let's move it around. See what happens. I believe this is what most call a ribbon pour. Okay. Pretty interesting. I want more pink up here, so I'm going to add some. Yellow. Okay, it's actually selling up a little bit in here. The pink went underneath the Naples yellow. I don't know. It needs a little help, and I'm not sure what to do. I don't like this up here at all. It's just too Christmassy looking. Let's see if I can dump it off. That's bringing out some really neat look in here. I like that. Okay. Let's see what happens when I pour this out. Okay. Bring it in a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at it now. Not liking this too much. Not liking that too much. Let's see. The pink kind of went right on the top, didn't it? Too much pink. That's better. I like that better. I'm going to check quick to see if it has any air bubbles in it. Oh, there's a few. Not a lot. I'm going to give this one a little bit of time to set, and I'll bring you back, because I think there's going to, some cells are going to develop in some of these areas. They're starting to down here. There's been some really nice ones up in here, but I think it needs to set for a couple of minutes, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back here. Did not change very much, but this is really neat. The way that turquoise mixed with the yellow and the red and the pink. Little cells here. Don't like this corner very much yet, but it was a second thought. So there you have it. Thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate it. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Bye.